Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today's recipe will be scrambled eggs with tomato and feta, and we're gonna make it with the twist with orange fillet. So let's get right into the recipe. So we're gonna start with the bread. We need to slice it, but first we're gonna turn the heat on. So we're gonna slice sideways, about like a centimeter thick. This goes back. So we are gonna drizzle some olive oil. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip one side to the other, nice, and take the olive oil everywhere, nice, like that, and straight into the pan. So let's check the bread. Nice. Try not to burn it, but caramelize it nicely. You can flip it more than one time. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna flip it again. A little bit higher. Nice. So. So, the bread is ready. Turn the heat off, and we're gonna place it here, like that, nicely. So we're gonna clean the pan. So now we're gonna start the actual recipe, the scrambled eggs with cherry tomatoes. For this recipe I use canned tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. You can use like actual tomato and grate it. It's up to you, however you like it. I'm doing it a little bit lazy, so I'm taking that. And I like the sweetness that it comes out from that. Yeah, sometimes it's not bad if you use some canned products. So, nice. So, I'm not gonna put for now any oil or something into the pan. I'm just gonna start straight with the tomato, the cherry tomatoes. I'm not gonna add any other liquid, and I'm just gonna break them with my wooden spoon. Medium temperature. That's it, nice. So, at this time, we're gonna add a little bit garlic, which we're gonna grate it inside. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, which I'm gonna put now. and the garlic. So the garlic, I'm gonna grate it with the microplane. So peel it nicely, and the other one. Cut the edges, half and half. Take out the green, because this is what makes the garlic strong. Okay, so here we go, and we grate it straight in. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the orange zest, because we are in Peloponnese and this is what they produce here a lot, olive oil and oranges. This is what Peloponnese is about. So a little bit of this, and the rest we're gonna use it for flakes. So the sauce, we need it nice, like this, caramelized nicely. We don't want too much liquid, so we're gonna keep a little bit the cherry tomatoes a little bit more, very low temperature. Yep, like this. So here we're in a very good stage. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Don't go crazy with the salt because feta is salty. So I'm gonna break my eggs. I'm gonna use 6 eggs for 4 people. So I'm gonna turn my heat off. At this stage, I'm gonna add a little bit olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna whisk this. I need a little. I don't need the egg very well mixed, because it's gonna give us different textures and different colors inside the recipe. I just want it like broken, so for me this is good. And we're going straight in. Nice. I stir a little bit, I turn the heat completely off, and I stir into my pan. And I cook inside of it. We don't need too much heat for this. I might gonna turn the heat on again, but I wanna see like how much it will cook. You see, it's already getting scrabble and it's already fluffy. So I'm gonna leave it a little bit and add a little bit black cracked pepper. I really like this kind of stuff, like they're very vintage and like they're nice. Yes. We might gonna need a little bit more heat, but we'll see. Nice and fluffy. Yeah, we're gonna need on low. cook it a little bit, that's it, nicely. Yeah, you see the colors, like the egg white, like everything is nice. Nice, so now we are good. Heat off completely. Few more, like maybe 1 or 2 more minutes. Nice, take the sides, everything. Nice. And the chunky pieces from the cherry tomatoes, they're gonna give a very nice texture into this, because sometimes it's boring when everything is mashed and like. So, this is it, we are ready. This is how I like it, this is how I prefer it. So, let's go. So, So this is it, and now we're gonna crumble some feta. Nice. Like this. So now we need to make the orange fillet, which I really like it. It's very simple and very easy. We clean the orange, we peel it. We don't need the white part on it, so we're gonna clean completely the orange. So like this here. Yes, that's it. So and now we're taking in between the white lines just the nice pure fillet of orange. They're gonna be like this. Be careful, don't cut your fingers, always know where the knife goes, so be careful, do it slow, and we're just gonna add like a few pieces like this. Yep. So nice. Here we have arugula, like few nice leaves of arugula. And Swiss chard. Always use fresh herbs, like everything that you use from this kind of things. Try to use it fresh. And I'm also gonna use, just for the smell, a little bit fresh oregano tops. So just it look nice. We like these fresh herbs with different smell, flavor. I like that. Nothing really special. And of course, a drizzle of olive oil always makes everything more tasty. And because of the salad and everything, just a little bit of salt everywhere. So this is my version of scrambled eggs with tomato and feta. We had a little bit twist of the orange fillet. Always use fresh herbs, as we said. Thank you very much for watching Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your support. See you on the next Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Now is the time to eat and try what we did. No words for that, no comments. Unbelievable.